This is the Timex T232s with nature sounds. Kind of an interesting bedside alarm clock. So you can actually go through and test all the sleeping sounds by pressing the sleep button. And you can see we've got forest, brook, or ocean. Just press off if you don't want to hear that. But what's kind of weird about this, the time set is pretty straightforward. You just hold down time, and then you press forward or reverse to set the time. Pretty simple. But to set the alarm, you have to go to the side and make sure that these there's two alarms, so make sure it's switched to set. And we're going to see one pop up. And then hold alarm down. So it's actually, I misspoke. You do not press it to set. You have one on set, one on a mechanical bell. So even though number 1 says mechanical bell, and number 2 says set, number 2 is not being set, number 1's being set. It's confusing. Hold down alarm. That's the alarm time, 12:20. And then you can press the forward and reverse to see how it goes. So I'm just holding it down to see what happens when we get past 12, because I'm hoping, yeah, right there, that little PM thing pops on. So if you want to have your alarm for the afternoon, you got to go through it. And the same thing goes this way. For alarm 1, put to off. Or for alarm 2, we have alarm 2 that turned on. We're going to hold down the alarm button right there on top. And it's going to show us what time the alarm is for as well. So kind of confusing. You would think that having the set button means that it's being set, but I guess that just means that it's like set as in it's not turned on. I don't really know. Now they're both turned on. That's the basic functionality of the Timex T232s with nature sounds. Hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.